Cities face a critical challenge. Managing civic hygiene is entirely reactive. By the time a citizen notices an overflow of municipal waste or a contaminated water body, files a complaint, and the command center routes it, days have passed. The environmental hazard has spread, and local municipal bylaws are violated. Existing municipal portals rely on manual inspection and keyword triaging, leading to administrative backlogs and mismatched departments. We built VerdaTerraAI to solve this. VerdaTerraAI is a multi-sensory, multilingual environmental copilot that acts as a proactive brain for urban local bodies. It bridges the gap between raw sensory inputs, like smell telemetry and image classification, and legal municipal compliance, automating department routing and remediation checklists in real time. Let's look at the live VerdaTerraAI desk one. Right now, our ward in Sector 4 is showing a dynamic hygiene score of 82. This score is not a static number. It's calculated by weighting telemetry from 5 sensory modalities. First, sight. Image uploads of illegal garbage piles or clogged drains, classified via Gemini Vision. Second, hearing. Audio feeds from street nodes, identifying sweepers and garbage truck arrival compliance. Third, smell. Chemi-resistor telemetry measuring ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, and volatile organic compounds. Fourth, taste. Water sensor nodes tracking pH, turbidity, and total dissolved solids in local inlets. And fifth, touch. Geotechnical vibration and structural integrity sensor feeds on municipal utility bins. When any of these sensors cross critical thresholds, or when an inspector files a report, the agent mesh evaluates the combined environmental impact. Under the hood, VerdaTerraAI is built as a distributed agentic mesh. Our backend runs on FastAPI, orchestrating a LangGraph state machine. First, the planner node triages inputs. It acts as our first security layer, running a regex-based PII scan to redact Aadhaar card numbers, phone numbers, and emails. It also checks for prompt injection intents. The perception node ingests the multisensory telemetry, computing a unified criticality factor. The hygiene agent calculates the local score, penalizing the baseline for live sensor anomalies and unresolved historical incidents. The policy RAG agent connects to our AlloyDB AI database using an MCP database tool. It performs a vector search on local laws using text embedding Gecko embeddings, applying location-aware metadata filters so that a ward in Bengaluru only checks BBMP bylaws, while a ward in Delhi checks MCD rules. Let's run a live simulation. We'll ask our AI copilot, Sensor Sector 4 reports ammonia at 80 parts per million, and an image shows wet food waste rotting outside a kitchen. As we submit, look at our live agent pipeline visualizer. You can see the orchestrator glowing, routing to the perception node, and then invoking the hygiene and policy agents in parallel using asynchrono to minimize execution latency. The terminal logs display the active RAG query. It has successfully matched the input against BBMP solid waste guidelines, highlighting Section 4, which mandates ammonia levels in commercial food zones must remain below 50 parts per million. Wet waste must be stored in closed bins. The agent synthesizes a customized remediation checklist. Because the hygiene score has dropped below 50, the routing agent automatically dispatches a ticket, raising its status to escalate it and assigning it to the zonal commissioner. We can see this ticket populate the governance queue live in our inspector tab, complete with the compliance checklist. VerdaTerraAI is fully containerized and deployed on Google Cloud On. Our front-end React app is served via Nginx in a multi-stage Docker build, and the FastAPI backend agent connects securely to Vertex AI. We use application default credentials with Google Cloud IAM service accounts, meaning the application runs with 0 hard-coded API keys in production. All compliance metrics and lookback trends are exported to BigQuery to support long-term analytics and Looker Studio dashboards for administrative heads. VerdaTerraAI shows how multi-agent networks, backed by Google Cloud's AI and database stack, can move beyond simple chat stubs and solve real-world civic challenges at scale. Thank you.